In this video, I'm going to help you guys to learn how does the Aarogya Setu app uses your Bluetooth and GPS to track the transmission of the COVID-19 and help you to get the information of the transmission around your locality in terms of the COVID-19. Coming up. Before we start, I would like to request you guys to download this Aarogya Setu app because apps like Aarogya Setu app as well as Aarogya Setu app can help others and yourself to save your lives. I'll leave a link down in the description box so that you can download it and you don't download a fake app which is very convincing and is really similar. So let's begin. Now this app is available on all the iOS devices and all the Android devices. So you can download it on your iPhones, your iPads, any Android smartphone and any Android tablets. This app was launched on 2nd April of 2020 and it is developed by the National Informatics Center under the Ministry of Electronics and Informative Technology. But our question is, how does it use your Bluetooth and GPS to track the transmission? So let's start with the basics. Firstly, if it needs to access your GPS, it means that it wants to know your location. Well, that's clear then. It means it is using GPS to track your location. Great, but then what about Bluetooth? Well, that's pretty clear too. After it gets access to your location and has the knowledge that where are you living currently, like I am living in Mumbai, then it will use your Bluetooth, it will use your device's Bluetooth to access to other devices or users that are logged in to Aarogya Setu, and as their Bluetooth has to be always on, and I assume that it is, it can easily understand how high the risk is of transmission of COVID-19 in your locality. Now there is another test which is called self-assess. Now when you click on it, you have to give your accurate information that have you been feeling unwell in past couple days, where have you been, suppose have you been outside of India in past 30 or 45 days, have you ever gone through these diseases or have you ever had those symptoms. After you have given the right information, this data will be stored on the server of the app. Now, suppose at the end of the day, all the data will be collected and all the data from the server will again be sent back to your device so that it can display all the tests, all the information in a particular manner, like how many users have been using Aarogya Setu, how many people have done the self-assess in a particular radius, and how many have told that they are unwell, and finally how many have felt that they are positive, or how many have told that they are COVID-19 positive. Now, in case if someone is COVID-19 positive, the hospital will tell the user to update his or her app. But it's not very sure what is the procedure when one is tested positive, and therefore I cannot guarantee that this will be the procedure which will be taken into action. Apps like Aarogya Setu are a great example of how you can connect technology to your daily life, or to be specific in this particular case, to the COVID-19 pandemic directly. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for weekly tech videos. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you in the next video.